Welcome. One person? Please sit here. Here's the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want a chicken burger.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, a water, please.
How about fries?
Yes, small fries.
Spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy.
Okay. A chicken burger, small fries, and a water.
That's right.
Your food will be ready in 10 minutes.
Thanks.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
It's very good.
Would you like some dessert?
What do you have?
We have ice cream, cake, and fruit.
I'll have ice cream.
One moment, please. Here you go.
Thanks. It's very good.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $12.
Here's $15. Keep the change.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Hi. Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm new here. I'm from Canada.
Welcome.
Thank you. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it only takes about 5 minutes.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, very easy.
Is there a sign?
Yes, a blue sign.
Is it near a store?
Yes, it's next to a post office.
Can I take the bus?
Yes, bus number 3.
Is it safe to walk?
Yes, very safe.
Is the station open now?
Yes, it's open.
Is there a bathroom there?
Yes, inside the station.
Thank you. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Hey there.
Hello.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, very sunny and calm.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every evening. What about you?
This is my first time here.
Welcome. It's a nice place.
Are you from this city?
Yes. And you?
No, I just moved here last month.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's quiet and clean.
That's true.
How old are you?
I'm 25. And you?
I'm 25 too.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at a bank. What about you?
I work in a clothes shop.
Do you like your job?
It's okay. I like fashion.
That's great. What do you do after work?
I usually go for a walk or watch movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis. Do you?
I like walking and yoga.
That's healthy.
Do you come here alone?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
Do you want to walk together?
Sure, let's walk.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's my favorite place.
What time do you usually come?
Around 5 p.m.
It was nice talking with you.
I enjoyed it too. I have to go now.
Okay. Maybe we can meet again.
Sure. Same time tomorrow?
Sounds good. See you then.
Bye. Take care.
Hello.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, Where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Where can I find eggs?
They're near the milk.
Do you sell bread?
Yes, in aisle 2.
Where is the sugar?
Aisle 5, on the top shelf.
Do you have water bottles?
Yes, small and large ones.
How much is one bottle?
$1 for small, $2 for large.
Where are the apples?
In the fruit section.
Where is the cheese?
Aisle 6, next to the yogurt.
Do you sell rice?
Yes, many kinds. Aisle 4.
I'm ready to pay.
Okay, please come here.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, 1 bag, please.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
Would you like one?
Maybe next time.
Cash or card?
Cash, please.
Here is your change.
Thank you.
Do you want your receipt?
Yes, please.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hey, it's been a while. How have you been?
Hi, David. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good too. Work is a bit busy, but I can't complain. What are you drinking?
Just a hot coffee. It's my favorite. What about you?
I'm having a cold latte. It's perfect for a sunny day like this.
That sounds nice. So, what's new? Anything exciting happening?
Not much. I just got a new guitar. I'm trying to learn some songs.
Oh, that's cool. Can you play already?
A little bit. It's hard, but fun. We should meet up again soon.
Definitely. Let's do it again next week.
Sounds like a plan. See you soon, Maria.
Bye, David.
Hello. Thanks for coming in today. My name is Alex.
Thank you for having me. I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. So, let's start with your experience. Can you tell me about your last job?
I worked as a project assistant. I managed schedules and helped with team meetings. I really enjoyed the work.
That's good. What are your strengths?
I'm very organized and good at communicating with people. I also learn new things quickly.
That's important for this job. Why do you want to work here?
I've heard great things about your company. I'm looking for a place where I can grow my skills.
Well, this is a great place to do that. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What does a typical day look like for someone in this role?
It's usually a mix of planning and working with the team. We'll let you know about the next step in a few days.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you. Excuse me, can you help me find a shirt?
Of course. What kind of shirt are you looking for?
I need a white shirt for a party. Something simple and stylish.
We have many options. Are you looking for a casual or formal style?
More formal, please. Something I can wear with black pants.
Okay, let's look over here. This one is very popular. It's a classic white shirt.
Oh, I like that. What size is it?
This is a medium. What size do you usually wear?
Medium or large? Depends on the brand. Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are right there. Let me get you a large, just in case.
Thank you.
No problem. How did it fit?
The large is perfect. I'll take it.
Great choice. The cashier is at the front. Hi, I'm new here. Can you tell me how to use this machine?
Sure, no problem. I'm Sarah.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. So you just sit down and push the weights. What muscle do you want to train?
My legs. I want to build strength.
This machine is perfect for that. How often do you work out?
This is my third time this week. It feels great.
That's good. Consistency is key. Do you have a trainer?
No, not yet. I'm just following a plan from a friend.
I see. If you need any help, just ask.
Thanks, Sarah. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. See you around.
See you.
Hello. Please come in and have a seat. What brings you here today?
Hello, doctor. I've had a headache for 2 days.
Okay. Can you tell me more about it? Is it a sharp pain or a dull ache?
It's a dull ache, and my head feels heavy. I also feel a little dizzy.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms? Fever, a sore throat, or a cough?
No, just the headache and dizziness. I haven't slept well lately.
That could be the reason. Are you taking any medicine now?
No.
Okay. I'll check your blood pressure. It looks normal. It might be due to stress and lack of sleep. I'll give you a prescription for some pain relief.
Thank you, doctor.
Try to rest more and avoid looking at screens for a while. If the headache doesn't go away in a few days, please come back.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Hey, Chloe, do you have any plans for the long weekend? I was thinking we should take a trip somewhere.
That's a great idea. I'm tired of staying in the city. Where should we go?
I was thinking maybe the mountains. We could go hiking and get some fresh air.
Ooh, I love hiking. How about the cabin we went to last year? It was so peaceful.
Perfect. I'll check if it's available. What about food? Should we cook or eat out?
Let's do a mix. We can cook on Saturday and eat out on Sunday. We should plan a grocery list.
Sounds good. What time should we leave on Friday?
Let's leave right after work around 5 p.m. so we don't hit traffic.
Great. I'll book the cabin and you can plan the food. This is going to be so much fun.
I can't wait. I'm so hungry. What do you feel like eating tonight?
I don't know. What's on the app? I'm craving something spicy.
There's a new Mexican place with great reviews. They have spicy tacos.
Tacos. Yes. Let's get that. What should we order?
They have a combo with 3 different kinds of tacos. And we can get some guacamole?
Perfect. I also want some churros for dessert.
Oh, you always want dessert. Are you sure you're not getting too much?
It's just one order, and we can share it. What about drinks?
I'll just get a Coke.
Okay, so that's the taco combo, churros, and a Coke. I'll place the order now.
Great! I'm ready for a delicious dinner. Hi, Ben. I haven't seen you in a while. What have you been up to?
Hey, Emily. I've been busy with my new hobby. I started gardening.
Oh, that's great. What are you growing?
So far, just some tomatoes and bell peppers. It's a lot of work, but it's really rewarding. I love seeing the plants grow every day.
That's so cool. I want to start a new hobby too, but I don't know what to do.
You could try baking. My sister started last month, and she makes amazing bread now.
I'm not very good at baking. I'm looking for something more hands-on.
How about painting? You can start with simple watercolor sets. It's very relaxing.
That's a good idea. I might give it a try. Thanks for the suggestions.
Anytime. Good luck with your new hobby.